Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna come down here, we're gonna pressure wash around here, get all this grass stuff, pull it back. We're gonna go down there with a little shovel, pull all that stuff out the invert, all that mud and stuff. There's a pipe right here in front of me. We're gonna put a plug in it right there, just to stop it so we don't get anything on us. And then these seams right here, we're gonna put some grout in them, get it nice and flush, take a brush and flush all the way around it. And after that, we'll be done. We can come up, take all our everything out and take an after picture after that, and we'll be good to go.
See right here, this here's a gas meter. It detects the gas to let us know when to bring the people out. Detects H2S.
Now, why is that important?
Because the oxygen get low down there, we don't want nobody to fall out and die. This here's your finished product. You pass the chimney, you pass your 2 joints, you pass around your pipes, pass in between your pipes and the invert, brush it in. This is your finished product.